If you're looking for brain teasers puzzles, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. Bestseller by Rubik's Cube. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, by Loveface. Number 3, by John Adams. For more info and great brain teasers puzzles, just click this circle. Number 4, by Yetech. Number 5, by Colorful Toys World. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.